Meaning of expectation of life.
Expectation of life.
Expectation of life.
Expectation of life.
Expectation of life. Expectation of life refers to the average number of years a person is expected to live based on various demographic factors such as age, gender, health, and lifestyle. It is a statistical concept used in actuarial science and public health to estimate a population's overall health status and potential healthcare needs. Generally, the higher the expectation of life, the better the quality of life and access to healthcare in a given population. However, it is important to note that individual variations do exist due to genetic and environmental factors.